Hello everyone, I am Dr. Anju Soni. In this video, I am going to talk about caring for older adults during COVID-19. These are very challenging times for everyone, especially for those who have elderly parents, elderly relatives, and elderly friends. We should give our utmost care and attention to them, as it is very important that the older adults are more vulnerable to COVID-19. I wanted to share the hardship and pains faced by my patients and their elderly parents. It is very sad and grieving situation as day by day the COVID-19 spread is increasing. People are afraid for their loved ones of contracting the coronavirus, especially when it comes to our elderly parents, relatives, friends. Our fear and anxiety shoots up as they are at a higher risk of severe health problems associated with COVID-19 pandemic. Every time we hear the news of someone falling very sick, hospitalized and with severe health conditions, sometimes when we hear the death of elderly person, our concern towards our loved ones amplifies. The lower immunity and body reserves as well as pre-existing conditions such as diabetes, hypertension, chronic kidney disease and pulmonary diseases makes the older adults prone to several health issues and more vulnerable to COVID-19. The fear and anxiety among us and the elderly people becomes more severe, especially if they think about their existing health complications. I personally heard from many of my elderly patients of how they feel sad, fearful of contracting COVID-19, fear of death. Many times they feel ignored and lonely. Hence, the elderly people need our support, care, reassurances and empathy in a respectful and patient manner more than ever during these challenging times. The elderly people may become more anxious, agitated, fearful, confused and angry due to the corona outbreak, especially isolation due to essential physical distancing, preventive measures and concern over their increased risk of severe illness from COVID-19 can take a toll on the older adult mental health. It is our duty to be aware of their emotions and mental health and ensure they receive proper treatment. Let us see why elderly people are at a higher risk during COVID-19 pandemic and how to manage their safety and well-being. Older adults have a high risk of severe respiratory problems due to COVID-19 and have a higher risk for hospitalization along with ventilator support. Unfortunately, they also have a higher mortality rate. This knowledge contributes to significant stress, anxiety, fear and other mental health problems. Elderly people may also find difficulty to access essential services and regular healthcare consultations due to the restrictions and social distancing towards the prevention of COVID-19. This may lead to more stress. Isolation and social distancing may also lead to depression and anxiety. The main factor being the habit of using technology and social media are less among elderly people. The pre-existing medical conditions in older adults may worsen due to the difficulty in accessing their routine healthcare due to COVID-19 restrictions. It is important for us to know the mental health issues of the elderly people such as sleeplessness, anxiety, feeling of emptiness, restlessness, boredom, panic attacks, and fear of infection of COVID-19 and also fear of spreading the disease to others. Sometimes they may feel imprisoned, ignored or neglected. They may have anxiety about their uncertain future, anxiety about death and death caused by unnatural circumstances without meeting their loved ones or relatives. All this may lead to development of depression, anxiety and PTSD. Now, let us see how we can manage the COVID-19 situation for the elderly people. It is advised for the elderly people to avoid going to hospitals or clinics for their regular checkups or minor health issues. Instead, we can help them to communicate and consult with doctors and healthcare professionals through teleconsultations or video consultations. It is important to find ways to engage them with friends and relatives by assisting them to use technology like video calling and conferencing, making them feel more lively and connected to their loved ones and friends. If the elderly person is not living with you, it is advised to set up a helpline through which they can approach for minor health issues like consulting with GP or counselor. This will give them a reassurance and hope to stay safe and healthy. Although in extreme conditions, personal visit to clinic or hospital may be required. Many of the older adults are likely to have symptoms of depression and anxiety due to the threat of COVID-19. In this case, it is advised to seek counseling. The counselor can give them guidance and they can be reassured to lead a healthy life. It is important to give guidance to maintain a routine along with physical and relaxation exercises like yoga, meditation, and monitored healthy diet to keep our beloved elderly parents, relatives, and friends safe and healthy. The responsibilities lies with each and every one of us. It is advised to keep yourself prepared in case if you or your loved ones are infected with COVID-19. Do not panic. Keep yourself informed of the nearest COVID healthcare center. Be positive and stay strong as most of the COVID-19 infected people recover safely. Insist and practice all the required safety measures to protect you and your dear ones, as prevention is better than cure. Life is beautiful. Stay healthy.